down, sit down. What do you want?
Sir, you are a patriot.
Everybody knows that, but what brings you here?
For the public good, you have been trying with might and main.
To make a living out of lawsuits. That's common knowledge, but what have you got to say?
Sir, it's nothing much really, but
Well then, time to get it on board.
if you agree a little, Ganat Parataram Nahi.
Look here, I can't think or agree about anything until I know what it means. Translate that into English.
I don't know what it would exactly mean in English, but I know music is delightful to hear.
Not to everybody.
He who doesn't like music is.
Dulaya Dukari Datta.
Sir, don't say such a thing, sir.
Why not? Would you rather I lied?
In great India, the says Bharata was the first great singer too.
There's lawsuit involving him.
Oh no.
Otherwise, cut your lecture short.
Sir, a lot of things to say, sir.
And I have no time to hear them.
Then I shall be brief. In great metropolis, we have founded an organization called Advancement of Music, and we like you, sir, too.
Do speech?
Oh no,
Decide on a function?
not at all.
Then what is it you want me to do, man? I'm telling you, I can either sing or listen to people singing.
For rest assured, sir, you shan't have to do either. Only a small donation. Small, very
Donation?
small.
Donation! Donation! Oh, Kalam, you're a very devious man. Creeping in. That 3 minutes out of here. Get out! Get out right now!
I came here for a donation, and you're throwing me out. But just do it, I'll fix you.
Ah, here's fun. Somebody named Kangali Charan has told all the papers that have donated 5,000 rupees to the Society for the Advancement of Music. Donation be damned. I nearly thrust the man out by the neck. But this is good publicity for me though. People will think it must be a really big organization if it can gain 5,000 rupee gifts. Anyway, I'm a lucky man.
So, sir, you donated 5,000 rupees to the Society for the Advancement of Music, sir.
That's just something people are saying, but suppose I've given it, why make such a fuss, huh?
Such modesty. First, doing 5,000 rupees? Hashtra was a mere trifle? Truly no ordinary man. Maybe he'll pay my salary.
Hey, what's all that commotion outside, huh?
Sir, I need to see you, sir. I need to speak to sir.
Sir, there are hordes of people outside, sir.
Oh, my custom's swelling already. Call them in one by one and fetch some pan and tobacco for me.
Yes, sir.
No, my turn. My turn.
No, I will go first. Going one by one. You go first.
Sir, come in, please. Have a seat. Hey boy, get the man some pan and samosas.
What a charming personality. If he doesn't fulfill the heart's desire, who will?
Well, sir, so what brings you here?
Sir, your magnanimity is well known through the land.
Why do you listen to such rumors, huh?
Such modesty, and only heard about your greatness. Now my doubts are delayed rest.
I wish you get to the point. There are a lot of people waiting. Yes, sir, so what can I do for you?
For the uplift of the nation, the heart must.
That, of course, goes without saying.
True, large-hearted gentlemen like yourself, who, for the sake of India,
I admit everything, my dear sir. Forget all that and proceed.
it's a sign of a modest man when he hears himself praised.
For God's sake, man, come to the point and sit down.
The fact is, our country's fortunes are declining day by day.
Only because we can't keep our speeches short.
India, a sacred motherland, engended of golden harvest, is floundering in the dark pit of penury.
Fine, go on.
In the dark pit of penury, day by day.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Then let me come to the crux of the matter.
That's much better.
The British are looting us.
Fine, just get me the evidence and I'll file a suit in the magistrate's court.
The magistrate is looting too.
They're in the district judge's court.
The district judge is very brigand.
I don't understand you at all.
Our country's fortunes are being shipped abroad.
How sad.
Therefore, a meeting.
On a meeting,
Here's the subscription book.
subscription book,
A small donation.
donation. Get out right now. Get out. Take your subscription book.
No, I'm going in.
Thank you, everyone.
Sir, come in, come in.
Ah, sir. Sir, what is
Stop right there. Stop it. Sit there, please. What do you want?
Sir, your magnanimity is well known throughout the land.
Enough. I heard all that already. Continue from after that.
Your profound concern for the country's welfare.
Confound it. This fellow, she's saying the same things. So, no, I'll continue.
But interest in all kinds of patriotic initiatives.
Here's a nuisance. Just what is it you want?
A meeting.
Another meeting?
Here's the subscription.
Subscription book?
Only a small donation of
Donation?
2 rupees.
Get up right now if you value your life. Get up.
Ah, nice joke,
This is
sir.
not a joke. Get up. Get up right now. Get out.
I thought we were friends, sir. Why would you do this to me?
You are not friends. Get out.
Let me go in. Let
No,
me go
stop.
in.
My turn. I'm going in.
Hey, get out. Hey, get out.
Hey, I'm going in.
I'm
going. What? Guy right here.
Come and put it there. Put it there. First thing first. I heard everything about my magnanimity and my patriotic initiatives. Continue from after that.
Sir, why are you taking that much tension, sir? What's your fun?
No, it's fine. Yeah. Continue.
God, your breadth of vision, cosmopolitanism, liberality.
It sounds different. I could hear what you're saying. But leave that to sir and start talking plain prose, will you?
Sir, you see this small map? Very big, sir, very big. We are planning of a library, sir.
Library? Are you sure it's not a meeting?
Why would a library be a meeting, sir? Of course not.
Okay, continue.
Oh, sir! Sir, it's upside down, sir. It's upside down, sir.
Oh, okay.
This is the entrance. You go straight, you take a right, you see,
Wait.
sir.
Do you have any books with you?
Sir, we have many books in the library, sir. You tell me, I'll get you books, sir. 1, 2, 3,
No,
4.
wait. Do you have any books with you?
Sir, with me, sir. Yes, sir. I have many books.
No.
with me.
Do you have any books with you right now?
Oh, right now. No, sir. Only paper.
Oh, papers are fine.
Very, very small. This paper is very fat but thin like your brain.
What?
What?
Wait, donation! My house has been attacked by robbers today. Robbers! Get out! Hey. Shut up! Get out! Get out right now! Get out!
My map, sir. My map.
Take it, map. Take it, map. Take it fast. You won't get any help from me.
One someone.
No samosa food. Get out! Clear. Send everyone away. Don't let anyone in. Everyone.
Listen. I'm a college friend of his. My name is Harsh Uncle.
Sir, someone claimed to be a college friend outside.
College friend.
Yes, sir. His name is Arjun Hatch, sir. Pardon, please, guys.
Call him in.
You may go in. Pardon,
Oh. Come in, please.
Oh my God.
Harshankar, is that you?
Yes, it's me.
I can't tell you're glad I'm to see you. Sit, please sit.
You know, we can talk about all of this later, but first, I have a really serious matter to discuss. discuss with you.
I haven't heard of a serious matter in a long time. You'll be like music to my ears.
So,
Is that a receipt paper?
the boys in our neighborhood are hosting a meeting.
A meeting?
For that meeting, we need a donation.
Donation? I'm warning you, Harshankar. I know we've been friends from a long time. But if you utter that word in front of me again, we'll have to part ways. Forever.
What? So you can give 5,000 rupees to some obscure music society in Kargatia? But you can't give 5 rupees to an old friend you've known all your life. Not even a shameless scoundrel would set foot in this house again. Unless they want a samosa.
No, not this. Another one of the sissy books. Get out! Get out!
Sir, but Nandalal Babu said that.
I don't want to hear about any Nandalal Babu. Get out!
Sir, but about the money.
Money? I won't give you a paisa. Get out!
Sir, what have you done?
What have I done?
That man who just came in,
Yeah.
he was coming to repay the money Nandalal Babu owed us.
Wait. No. He came to pay me money?
Yes, sir.
Call him back, please. Call him back.
So what have you done, sir? Hello, let me have a look at it. Hello. Sir, he isn't there, sir. What are we to do?
Free money. I lost money.
Sir, what are you doing, sir? That scoundrel Nandalal has not paid for 5 years.
5 years. How much money did he owe us?
Because of me, he was paying us back.
How much did he owe us?
25,000, sir.
To 25,000.
Yes, sir. Whatever my salary. Sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ ವೈದ್ಯರ ಪರವಾಗಿ
Sir, this is my master's son. His name is Tukari Datta. He's collapsed after he got his 225,000 rupees.
25,000. Must be really good.
Sir, is there anything you need?
I left my briefcase at the clinic. Can you go get it?
The briefcase, sir? How's it look?
It looks black and it has many cells.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your heart rate is a little high, sir.
Since when is the concept level?
Oh, my bad. Sir, but if this continues like this, you might get a heart attack.
Heart attack. Heart attack.
Sir, calm down, sir. Come on, get down. Sir, you're sweating so much. Sir, you might have pneumonia under microscopic symptom volcanic.
What? I've been 25 now.
Sir, I know you're fine, sir. That's why I left the hospital.
You left the hospital?
I'm meeting my own clinic, sir.
Oh.
Sir, but the clinic needs investors like you, sir. Healthy investors.
Investors?
Yes.
Healthy investors?
Yes, sir.
You mean donation?
Yes, sir. I must leave.
Ah, sir, got me a briefcase. Sir! At least one bar in my plan is working. You are asleep. But where are these people? They're late to their own revenge plan. Beautiful. What is this? Such idiocy has never been seen in all of humankind.
Sir,
We're both smart.
Okay, then we hire someone to kill him, no?
Or we poison him.
I can't stop. Let him speak.
Ah, one logical person. Listen. Basically, this is the plan. Wait. First, you must decide my
Oh,
percentage.
5%.
Yeah.
55%.
25%.
20%, sir, 20%.
20%. You're crazy.
Sir, 30%?
30%.
30%, 30%.
Look at our innocent faces.
Yeah, look at our innocent face.
Sir, thank you, sir. I love you, sir. Sir, one
Hey!
kiss. Sir, one kiss.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you so much, sir.
Samosa.
No samosa. Can you eat
When
samosa?
should we come, sir?
3 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ah, sir. How are you, sir?
Still sick.
Yes, sir. I got you some medicines. You must eat all of them to ensure a speedy recovery.
These many?
Yes, sir.
What?
You're essential.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, sir. How can you not see that?
6, 7, 7.
Yes, sir. All of them must be consumed.
Fine, I'll eat all of them.
Just wait here a minute. I'm going to go get some pawns.
Hey, what's that noise outside?
And nothing, sir. You're hallucinating. Eat your medicine. You'll be fine.
That must be true. Who are you? What do you want?
Sir, where shall I find such a nice year of music, sir? I've came to sing for you, sir.
Me?
Oh, Dukari Katta.
Dukari Katta? No! Stop! My ears are bleeding. My ears are starting to bleed.
Oh, friend, my ears are bleeding. I'll make your ears bleed, sir. Dudai.
What? Stop! Please! My ears! Ganeshan, I won't give you any music, please!
Okay, wait. Cut the music. Seriously. How can you play without a beat?
Oh,
beat, Dari!